It has been a fascinating process and range of events which led Skip and Shelley Copeland to open Rolling Fork Takery. While it was indeed organic, the specifics of how the food concept came together, well, it was kind of like music.
You don't have to write the song to enjoy playing it on the instrument. It's the same way with food. I certainly didn't create Waldorf chicken salad, so but I've put my spin on it. I've changed the flavor of it just a little bit, and my real philosophy is just don't mess it up.
The customers have been absolutely thrilled and excited since Rolling Fork Takery opened a little over 2 years ago.
The food is amazing. Quality of food is unbelievable.
We're a big city now in Beavers Bend. We're approaching 2 million people visiting the area a year. They needed something health-oriented.
I ate at Rolling Fork Takery over a period of 2 days. I would call this gourmet takeout, although you can eat here in the restaurant too. Skip calls it tasteful takeout. His wife and co-owner Shelley say they are farm to fork, fresh foods, grill and deli, primarily artisan cooking focused on flavors and whole foods. I would add it's incredibly flavorful and fresh, and I cannot wait to eat there again.
We're trying to offer flavorful, tasteful food, but package it in a way that makes it convenient for you to take with you if that's what your lifestyle dictates for you.
I would describe it as a fresh take on everything, and I explain to people that they have everything from Angus beef sliders to street tacos to gyros, which, as Morgan mentioned, is just hard to find stuff like that around here.
So that was the ideal. Make it flavorful, get the best breads and meats and freshest vegetables that you can use, and then use the old-fashioned ways of cooking them over open flames and smoking them. And I do not have a deep fryer in my possession, so that's just my philosophy on the food.
Everything is locally sourced as much as possible. Their tacos are amazing, made with ribeye and not flank steak. The deviled eggs are devilishly good, and the sandwiches are filling and delicious.
Anybody can serve a burger. I really didn't want to serve a burger. I wanted something a little bit different, and so I went with the slider concept. And you get the bread and the meat right, then you can do a lot of things with flavor with it.
The tacos are incredible too, so everything is wonderful.
Rolling Fork found a way to take healthy and tasty, put it all into the same dish, and you got it all in one. So I tell people, just because I say they're a takery and they have fresh salads, don't think it's not tasty. This is the tastiest food in Broken Bow.
Fresh, tasty, healthy, creative, filling food that you can eat here or get it to go, and you cannot beat that combination.
If I need to get a quick grab and go, I can run up here and know that she's got food ready for me in the cooler, or I can order online ahead of time on my phone really easy and come in and grab it. So I love the ease of just coming in and being able to pick up and go, or coming in and sitting down and bringing my dogs and having a good time. So the food is outstanding. Like I said, you can order anything on the menu and you'll love it.